DAX continued to stay bullish. It has breached the all-time high levels and moved towards 16,800. Last week update, I have mentioned that beyond 16,500, do not think of selling DAX. It is going to scale towards 16,800, 17,000 levels here. Now, what to expect from the coming week? Can it breach beyond 17,000 levels, or the too much of divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to for a pullback? Which position you should take trading DAX Germany40 next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release everyday update for DAX before the Germany sessions opens. Thus, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel and watch till the end of this video, as towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. Let's start. First, we'll look into 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, we have seen DAX getting the support from the 20 period and showing the rise. Precisely that has happened here as well. It has waited for the moving average to climb up, and then it is taking the support, has shown a very good rise. The important part is it is just closed at the top outside the Bollinger Bands, getting the resistance from 16,800. Now on the downside, 16,640, 600 is the support levels. Once it breaches below these levels, only then we can say that there is little bearishness, and then also 16,500, 16,400 levels will come a major role for deciding the future of DAX. Right now, moving averages trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic on the 4-hour charts have come to overbought levels, but see, it has sustained here. It can sustain here as well. However, there should be a little pullback before it climbs. Look at MACD. The MACD again crossing over after the retracement, and this could lift it to the further highs. RSI is still over. Consistently, the DAX is trading overbought for last few weeks. We have to be careful at around these levels, but it appears there is no looking back in DAX as of now. Coming to the daily chart. On the daily charts, moving averages crossed over here, are trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. Price is not showing any signs of a pullback and continuing the rally. Last couple of session consolidation and then this breakout. Yes, the support levels at 16,400 and 600 are very important. And also one must remember it is closed at the highs, which suggests that it can continue further on the upside, or in fact even if it tries to drop, see, it will wait for the moving average to climb up towards 16,400, 600 zone. We will wait for the prices to climb higher and then it will retrace towards these levels. So right now, yes, still bullishness is there, but my worry point is the divergence of the price from the moving average, which calls for it to converge. Right now, it is not showing any signs of convergence. Also, if you notice this, see, this is a channel in which it is trading. The support levels are now at around 16,650 levels and below that 16,600. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that there is a chance of a reversal, else it is looking forward to right now towards the highs at 16,920 and 17,000 levels. Stochastic certainly is staying overbought for last multiple weeks as of now. The MACD is also extremely divergent, extremely bullish, looking upwards, and it is still looking upwards, possibly willing to achieve the highs before it shows a pullback. A pullback is must. And right now it appears that it is waiting for the Fed interest rate hike decision, and then along with the global markets it can take a pullback, but right now no signs of a pullback. It is still bullish, it is still looking upwards. RSI has come to extremely overbought levels, and these levels in RSI for DAX is almost seen after 5 years. Yes, these are extremely overbought levels. If you look at history, you will find in 2017-18, this was the time when it has achieved such overbought levels, and then to achieving those overbought levels, we have seen an extreme fall. Thus, it is clear that the DAX has to fall a little, but right now, see, achieving the highs and then showing the pullback will hardly be of any means. Yes, if it achieves 16,800, it is already done, and from now 16,600, 400 levels, and then again showing the rise will keep it in the bullish zone still. But yes, a pullback has to be there sooner or later. Coming to the week, look at the weekly charts. See, on the weekly charts, the crossover on the moving average happened in the beginning of the year 2023. Since then, the DAX continued to trade bullish. and this is the channel in which it is trading higher lows, higher highs. The highs are above 17,000 levels as of now. Now, last week what has happened, it has breached past the preceding highs, the all-time high levels, and it has created the new highs here. Third observation here is, yes, again it has closed at the top, suggests that the bulls are still there. Yes, here it has created the step and the higher lows. Now look at these two candles, diminishing body size. The candle size is smaller, but it is still bullish. It also indicates that it can try to hit 17,000 levels for once before showing a pullback. Now on the downside, supports are seen here at 16,500, very strong support is there, and on the daily charts we have seen 16,650, 600. So these three levels are going to play a major role in deciding the movement for DAX, as 17,000 to 16,650 or 16,500. This is going to be the trading zone for the coming week, and possibly it could try to achieve the highs before looking forward to a pullback. Stochastic has come to extremely overbought levels. It does not mean that it cannot sustain. See this, it has sustained these overbought levels. See this, it has sustained these overbought levels for a while before showing a pullback. Look at MACD on the weekly charts. Again divergent, again bullish, looking upwards and showing further signs of a rise. Just 3 candles away, it can continue to yield couple or more candles from the current levels, taking it to the further highs here. So yes, DAX is still showing signs of bullishness. We have to be very cautious with the selling entries as long as 16,500, 650 is respected on the downside. RSI looking upwards, staying bullish. Coming to the month, now see on the monthly charts, the candles have achieved 3 retracement candles. It has achieved the bottom and then this second bullish candle. Yes, this is opened on a flat note and continuing to stay bullish here. Second candle in making, it can achieve further highs. It can take it towards 17,000, 17,200 and 17,500 levels as well. Yes, it is continuing to stay in this bullish flag formation where the highs are a little higher at around 17,300 to 500 zone. Very stronger resistance there. So 500 points from the current levels can be expected at least in this month of December. Now probably in the coming, it appears that 17,000 levels can be taken for once, even if it has to retrace a little, as on the daily charts it is trading a slightly overbought. MACD, stochastic looking upwards, willing to enter into overbought zone. The MACD is still divergent, still bullish, looking upwards, and see the movement here. It is preceded with a sharp drop. It is looking forward to a recovery. It can achieve the highs here before showing a reversal. RSI rising as well. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before we proceed with the levels here, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, if you want to trade as per the signals, you can join my signals channel on Telegram. Yes, we have a free webinar coming up this Sunday where for 1 hour we are going to discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. We are going to take a holistic view of global markets along with the commodities including gold, silver, oil, gas, and yes, the dollar as well. So all of this we are going to discuss, and I'll be taking up your live questions as well. This is a free webinar, so do not miss this opportunity. Register for the webinar. The link is shared in the communities of my YouTube channel, in my channel description, in my video description, and in my free Telegram channel where I give you the live updates. There also I have shared multiple times. So do register for the webinar. Do not miss this opportunity. Let's start now. And yes, all the details of the services are also shared on my platform www.forexfunda.com, which is there with multiple services and the data points. You have the economic calendar, you have the live charts of anything which is getting traded across the globe. You can also consult with me. You can schedule a call with me there and can take up the discussion and consultation and guidance. So do visit the page www.forexfunda.com. So next week I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying above 16,820, buy. Expect 16,850, 16,910, and then it will move towards 17,000 levels. Yes, this is the target which I will be looking forward to. If it stays above 16,820, 850 zone, we are looking at 17,000 levels, and then in fact we are looking at 17,067, 17,210, and 17,300. This is the next milestone. Beyond this, for the month of December, 17,500 cannot be denied before it shows a pullback. Yes, it can continue to scale to the highs. Now on the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 16,740. At 16,740, we can sell. We can expect it to move towards 16,700, 16,645, and then 16,600. This is the next milestone, which is definitely going to play a major role and provide the support to DAX on the downside. Below this, we can look forward to 16,500 as the next support levels, and then 16,400. Now these three levels are the key support levels on the downside for DAX. Do not think of DAX as bearish as long as 16,400 is respected. Below this is where we can look forward to 16,200 and 16,000 levels. Now 16,000 appears to be a distant dream for DAX. Possibly it can continue to scale on the upside. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free webinar, and all of this you will get the information here on my free Telegram channel and on my platform www.forexonda.com. Do visit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow or with the webinar, and also every day before the Germany session. Watch the daily updates as well. Thank you.